Good morning, students. Once again, you are welcome in Sacred Heart School online class. Student, today we shall study about the first chapter, the last lesson from Flamingo, written by Alfonso Daudet. The background of this lesson we will know. War between Castilla and French. Actually, there was a war between Castilla and French was defeated by Castilla, and in this way, the two districts of French, Alsace and Lorraine, were affected. What happened? The order from Berlin, means Germany, came there from tomorrow or from the next day. German language will be taught in Alsace and Lorraine. So, Hamel is the teacher of French language, and he said this line, the last lesson. Today is my last lesson. I think you have understood about the title of this lesson, why it is called the last lesson. We will try to know about the summary of this lesson with important points. First one is French, narrator of the story. French is the narrator of the story. He was 12 years old and he has to go to school, but today he got late. Actually, he had given homework of participle and he had not known any single word about the participle. So he was afraid of punishment by the teacher. And other things also, he was affected and impressed by the warm weather, chirping bird, and he wanted to not go to school. And in this way, what happened? When anyhow he decided to go to school and he started for school. He was going to school very fast because he was getting late, and in the way he saw that people were gathering before bulletin board. Actually, bulletin board is not good for French or the people, because last 2 years all the bad news had been coming there, and Frank was going very fast to the school, and when he reached at the school, second point school like Sunday morning. When he neared the school, there was no hustle and bustle, no sounding, no shouting in the school. Friends felt that today is just like Sunday morning. It seemed that today is holiday. Actually, Frank was surprised. And anyhow, Frank entered in the school and went in front of his class, and there he saw all the students were sitting silently, and Hamel was there. He was not gathering courage to enter the class because he got late and he was feeling ashamed to enter the class. But anyhow, he entered the class, and he was surprised once again that Hamel did not scold him. He silently sat on the bench, and Hamel wearing green coat, embroidered hat, and Frank was surprised to see the dress of Hamel. Such type of dresses he wears only for two occasions. First one, inspection of the school, and second, result distribution. On these two occasions, he wears such type of dresses. So today is not result distribution, today is not any inspection. So Franz was very surprising. Another thing, villagers in the class. Another surprising thing that maximum villagers sitting behind the class, behind the last bench, and he was thinking why the villagers were sitting here, what they are doing here. And Hamel's announcement about the last lesson. In this way, Hamel is standing in front of blackboard and he began to teach, and first line he said that today is my last lesson because there is an order from Berlin that French language will not be taught from tomorrow. And in this way, to listen this line, listen this sentence, Franz was surprised too much, and he was regretting and he was recalling also why the villagers are sitting here, why the Hamels wearing such type of clothes, and why the people gathered in front of bulletin board. He understood everything, but he was regretting too much because he did not know about the French language, anything else, and he was thinking that how he will complete this lesson, how he will complete his language, and he was regretting. He was thinking that all the books were load or burden for him, but today all the books, all the subjects looking very nice, and he was feeling very different way, in surprising way, ready to learn everything else, just like Hamel wanted to teach all the things in his last lesson. And Hamel had been always saying this, that the people of Alsace and Lorraine every time said that I will learn it, I will learn it, I will do it tomorrow, I will do it next tomorrow. But today is the situation that the French language will not be taught from tomorrow. So I mean to say that through this lesson, I want to say that if you have time, if you have enough time, try to utilize your time, otherwise you will regret and you will do nothing else, you will not get anything else. And ladies and gentlemen, Hamel's announcement about the last lesson, Franz did not tell participle. And during teaching, Hamel ordered to Franz to tell about the participle which was given as a homework to the students, but Franz stood up and Franz did not say a single word about the participle because he had no idea about it, he had not learned it, and Hamel did not say anything else. Hamel did not rebuke him because Hamel also regretting. Why he was regretting? He was saying that this is not your fault only, this is fault myself and your parents also. And he was saying that when he was going for fishing, so he always said to the student for watering the plant and said that today is holiday, just like it. And parents also send their children for earning money, and they were also not careful about the knowledge of their children. In this way, Hamel was very regretting and very sad in that particular moment. That's why Hamel wanted to teach everything about the French language in that his last lesson. Other things, completed grammar and writing section. And in this way, first Amable completed grammar of French language, whatever he wanted to do in his last lesson, and after that he started writing section. And each and everyone was writing very silently. Pin drop silence was there. Only you can listen the sound of scratching of the pen, and you cannot listen anything else. And some sound you can get from insects, and the pigeons also sounding there. And he was surprised about the pigeon that it can also speak French language or German language. And Amable was very sad. Everyone was very sad. All the villagers were crying. First of all, Franz thought that all the villagers came welcome to Amable, because Amable spent his 40 years for this school, but all the villagers were crying. They had also not know about the French language. And the importance of language, and Amable was telling that if you have knowledge of your language, I think you have a key to open any kind of lock. If you have to unlock the lock, so you should have power of your own language. Otherwise, you cannot do anything else. And Franz seriously read. I have already told you about the intention of Franz. Franz read everything else very nicely, because he knew that this is his last lesson. And one thing, student, I would like to tell you that if you are in the class, if you are studying anything else, so you have to be careful, because if you are ready to make your present, I definitely tell you that your future will be bright. Your future will be okay. You haven't to think about your future. You have to think about your present. You have to do better your present. If you are in the class today, if you are not ready to read, there is no chance for tomorrow that you will learn everything else. So students, church clock struck 12, the class is over. And in this way, the church clock struck 12, and Amable said that the class is over. Thank you so much. He wanted to say something, but his throat shook him. He became emotional. He was crying. He was weeping. He was unable to say any words, anything else. And finally, he wrote some words on the blackboard. Vive la France, live long France. And he was in this position, put his head on the board. And the class was over. Each and everywhere went from there. I think, student, you have got all the things, and I tried to give you about the information of this lesson. And one thing, through this last lesson, one message given to all of you, that if you are careful, if you are ready to utilize your time, and if you are thinking about the importance of time, if you are ready to do anything else according to your time, so I think you will not regret your future. Thank you so much.